She's royal, yeah, so royal.
Hi guys, this is week 5, and yes, my hair is growing straight to the sky. I look in the mirror and sometimes I see Lisa Simpson. Other times I see a crown rising, wild, untamed, and holy. This season is awkward. It's not the picture perfect locks on Pinterest. It's not curated, it's not polished, but it's real. It is the part most people don't show. The part where you're walking by faith, not aesthetics. Where your crown hasn't formed, but your identity is. Every morning I wake up and choose not to control, not to tame, not to conform. Because this journey isn't just about hair, it's about freedom. I don't want to fit in anymore. I want to rise. And every coil, every strand, every upward reach of my roots is my rebellion against perfectionism, against shame, against the lie that we need to look a certain way to be worthy. To my sisters watching this, don't despise your beginning stage. You're not messy, you're miraculous. You're not undone, you're becoming. Let the roots reach, let the locks form in their time. This is sacred work, and you are sacred ground. This is week 5, and I'm still standing, still growing, still free. Thanks guys for being here. If you like this video, please thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe.